Hey guys, so welcome to Home Screen. Now guys, if you want to unlink WhatsApp from Facebook, first go to your Facebook and select your profile icon on what's on your mind at the top. So from here guys, just simply go ahead and select edit profile over here. And as you can see, my WhatsApp is on the details tab down below, but just simply go for the edit profile. Now from here, just simply scroll down to the bottom and should be able to see here links. So just here, tap on edit. And from here, just simply go ahead and select your WhatsApp number. Now guys, if you are using an Apple, the remove icon will be just down below the number. But if you're using an Android, just simply tap on it and you should be able to see here remove link at the bottom and tap on remove. And there you go. As you can see, our link of WhatsApp has now been removed from our profile. Just simply follow the steps to do this. I hope this video helped you understand more, guys. If you do, leave a like. And if you have any questions, go ahead and comment down below and we'll do our best to answer them all. Thanks for watching.